How was your first 40-meter experience?
Honestly, better than all of my previous experiences. The deeper, the better.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels better when you're deeper. It's clearer.
Better visibility?
It's more quiet. Yeah, it's better visibility.
Harrison, what do you say about that?
It's a little cold down there.
That wasn't your first time at 40 meters,
No,
right?
it wasn't.
Okay.
It's pretty good though.
The first time you did in
Mozambique.
Mozambique.
Yeah, there was a lot more to see here than there was at 40 meters in Mozambique.
Okay.
Oh, really?
I promise you we will do another day at 40 meters in a better place than this one.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice ride. Why are you laughing?
Because Harrison and I both got stuck and it started rolling back down and we both like...
Ah!
I had to get off my bike and push it and rev at the same time.
It has been updated. Please check it out the map.
Hello, hello. Good morning. What else? Selamat pagi. So we are today traveling around the Batur Lake and Batur Caldera. So right behind us there is a Mount Batur. What do you think? We're gonna hike or no? Not today.
Not today, no, but
Maybe not today.
maybe
Not
another
today.
day.
Yeah. So now we're gonna move to the lava fields. You've seen them on one of my videos already. But anyways, I'm gonna bring guys there. So that's gonna be interesting.
Yeah. Mama, we made it. These are the lava rocks. Rocks made from lava. I learned about this in 6th grade, but I don't remember the details.
Only a few months ago I came here for the first time. I've been here hundreds of times. Okay, not hundreds of times, but dozens of times. But I never came down here. We usually sitting up there. There are all the cafes on that caldera edge. With a beautiful
Fearsome
view.
giant Latvian
Yeah,
traipsing through his predatorial grounds. Not a native species.
Yeah.
Invasive, yet still dangerous. Oh yeah. People be stacking rocks. Martin's over there stacking rocks. Look at my rock stack. You've never seen a rock stack like that before. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love my rock stack.
Alright, Butter Lake. Now we slowly start getting back to Amed. We have a really long descent. We have to be really careful. Those guys helped us with the overheated brakes.
What did you film?
Terima kasih. Boys goes diving, and I'm just simply enjoying the life, waiting them back. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.